There you go, now it's out. Look at it.
Can we open it?
Push the button. Show her the button, Yoon.
Oh, yeah, there. Hang on, would you pack? 1 out 2 and 1 out 3.
That's cool. You like it?
Yeah, can we take it out?
What do you say to your sister?
Thank you. Can we take it out? Want to open
Well,
a big present?
Look it. Why don't you come out here in the hallway?
Big present? Yeah, I see what's in there.
What do you think's in there, KK? You don't know.
I know.
What is it?
Oh.
What is it? Well, what is it? That's as big as she is. So dark. What is it? Here, bring it in here where I can see you open it. All right. Keep opening. You want to help her pick it up on the side, Daddy, so she can figure out what it is? Let her just open the sides.
Can I help her, Mom? Oh.
Ask her.
Oh. Yes, okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, keep opening. What is it? No, don't turn it. Daddy, do it.
I know.
Open this side. What is it? What? No, look over here. Look on the back over here. What's this?
Over here. The beast.
What is it, though?
It's this.
No, it's not that. It's not Cinderella.
Over here. What about over here?
Go over look on Yuna's side. That picture's better.
Over here. Right here.
Go look at Yuna's side.
Oh, yeah, this.
What is it?
This.
It's Princess TV.
Yeah. What I wanted.
That's what you asked for months and months and months.
Let's see what's in there. Let's open it.
We got one more.
One more. What? Yeah, one more.
Excuse me.
I can open it easy. All by myself.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you. You don't even know what it is.
She said thank you for saying happy birthday, I think.
Want me to help you, Caleb? Help you? No, I hear it. It's a Judy Pat, Mom. A Judy Pat.
A Zuzu Pat.
Yeah.
Really?
Can you see the in the
Let's
front of it?
see.
It's a Judy Pat.
Ooh.
It's
It's coming right out to get you. Get him. Pull him out. Whoa. What do you think? Oh, he probably has a thing you gotta turn on in the bottom, Daddy. A thing. Let's see. Hold on.
Grady wants it. That's my house.
Yeah, you got one now.
Yeah. Mom, I know what the ball you're talking about. That ball.
Cool.
He runs around.
You know.